Imagine a vehicle that challenges conventional ideas about transportation, housing, and mobility. Something quirky, bold, and surprisingly practical. Enter Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle, a fascinating blend of art, utility, and innovation. This is not your average camper van, nor is it an ordinary tricycle. It's a hand-built, pedal-pounded marvel that merges two worlds: personal transportation and portable living. The Camper Tricycle isn't just a product of imagination. It's a real, functional piece of art. It captures attention wherever it goes with its quirky design and clever concept. At first glance, you might find yourself staring, wondering what on earth it could be. Is it a joke? Is it a serious project? Well, the Camper Tricycle is both a thought-provoking statement and a working prototype. It represents freedom in its simplest form, a way to travel at your own pace, while carrying a tiny, personalized living space with you. The genius behind this creation is Kevin Cyr, an artist and designer with a knack for blending form and function. Cyr is known for his projects that challenge traditional ideas about transportation and shelter. He's drawn to utilitarian vehicles, think old vans, delivery trucks, and bicycles, and transforms them into something extraordinary. The Camper Tricycle is one of his most iconic works, and for a good reason. It's more than just a cool idea. It's an exploration of self-reliance, sustainability, and the human desire for mobility. This three-wheeled camper is entirely pedal-powered, meaning no engines, no fuel, and no pollution. It's the ultimate eco-friendly vehicle, perfect for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint while exploring the world. But don't mistake its simple mechanism for lack of ingenuity. The Camper Tricycle is meticulously designed to combine portability with comfort. Every inch of the camper is thought out to maximize utility. It's like a Swiss Army knife on wheels, compact, efficient, and multi-tensional. On the outside, the tricycle looks like something straight out of a whimsical cartoon. The main frame is a standard tricycle, complete with handlebars and pedals. Attached to it is a mini camper, resembling a tiny house on wheels. The camper's exterior is simple and sturdy, with wooden panels and a pitched roof. It's just big enough to house one person, but it's surprisingly well enmeshed. The size and design give it a charming retro vibe, making it feel both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Step inside and you'll be amazed at how much functionality is packed into such a small space. The Camper Tricycle has everything you need for a minimalist mobile lifestyle. There's a bed, storage space, and even enough room to sit comfortably. It's not luxury living by any means, but that's not the point. The design encourages you to focus on the essentials, embracing simplicity and efficiency. Every feature serves a purpose, and there's no wasted space. What's even more impressive is that Cyr didn't just create the Camper Tricycle as a one-off project. It's part of a broader exploration of mobility and how we interact with our environment. Cyr's work often questions the relationship between humans and their surroundings. By combining art, engineering, and social commentary, he challenges us to think differently about the vehicles we use and the spaces we inhabit. The Camper Tricycle taps into a growing movement of tiny living and alternative housing. As cities become more crowded and people search for more sustainable lifestyles, the idea of downsizing and simplifying has gained popularity. The tricycle camper aligns perfectly with this ethos. It's a way to live lightly, consume less, and embrace a slower pace of life. There's something liberating about the idea of traveling wherever you want, carrying your home with you, and leaving almost no environmental impact. While the Camper Tricycle might not be practical for everyone, it inspires us to think outside the box. It's a symbol of creativity and resilience, a reminder that innovation doesn't always require high-tech solutions. Sometimes, the most brilliant ideas come from reimagining the tools and materials we already have. By repurposing a tricycle and turning it into a mobile home, Cyr shows us the potential of simplicity and resourcefulness. The Camper Tricycle also sparks an interesting conversation about mobility in a world that's increasingly focused on speed and convenience. In a time when most vehicles are designed to go faster and cover more distance, the Camper Tricycle invites us to slow down. Pedaling across town or through the countryside in this tiny camper isn't about getting somewhere quickly. It's about the journey itself. It's about enjoying the scenery, connecting with your surroundings, and experiencing life at a more human scale. Imagine pedaling down a quiet country road with the Camper Tricycle. The wind is in your face, the sun is shining, and everything you need is right behind you. You're not tied down by schedules, fuel stops, or expensive accommodations. Instead, you're free to explore at your own pace, stopping wherever you like and truly experiencing the world around you. It's a lifestyle that feels both old-fashioned and revolutionary. A reminder of the joys of simple living in an increasingly complex world. Of course, the Camper Tricycle isn't without its challenges. It's not the most practical vehicle for long distances, and it requires a fair amount of physical effort to pedal, especially with the added weight of the camper. But these limitations are also part of its charm. They force you to slow down, plan your journey carefully, and appreciate the effort it takes to get from one place to another. It's a different kind of travel experience, one that prioritizes mindfulness and sustainability over speed and efficiency. So, the next time you see a quirky, pedal-penguined camper trundling down the road, take a moment to appreciate its ingenuity. It's not just a tricycle or a camper. It's a symbol of human creativity and the endless potential for innovation. Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle might not change the world overnight, but it's a powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest ideas are the most inspiring.